The Indian Army is currently driving a massive 60,000 crore rupee modernization project to build the Future Infantry Combat Vehicle, or FICV. It is the most extensive and expensive upgrade to India's mechanized forces in decades. Take a look at this image. This is the BMP-2 Sarath. The Indian Army currently operates thousands of these Cold War-era Soviet-designed infantry fighting vehicles. They were built for a very specific type of mass mechanized warfare that dominated military thinking 40 years ago. But as this photograph from the Gulf War clearly illustrates, those older platforms are highly vulnerable today. During that conflict, older Soviet-era vehicles were consistently outranged and outperformed by coalition forces, equipped with superior optics and fire control systems. Today, India faces a complex two-front security environment, involving both China and Pakistan. The modern battlefield is now saturated with advanced anti-tank guided missiles, precision artillery, and armed drones that can easily penetrate older steel hulls. Bolting new radios or thicker armor onto 40-year-old frames cannot effectively counter these modern weapons. Surviving in this environment requires an entirely new, technologically advanced battlefield ecosystem. You might wonder why the military doesn't simply buy existing off-the-shelf equipment, like the American Stryker armored vehicle shown here. While capable, foreign options often fail to meet the Indian Army's specific operational requirements. The Stryker, for example, lacks the amphibious capabilities required to cross rivers without external bridge support, and its performance drops in extreme high-altitude environments. India actually laid the groundwork for domestic alternatives back in the 1990s with a technology demonstrator project called ABAI. That program served as a vital incubator, proving domestic engineers could successfully build advanced composite armor and complex fire control systems from scratch. Building on that expertise, the military is now pursuing a dual-platform strategy based strictly on terrain. Look at this landscape in Rajasthan. For soft terrain and desert sectors, tracked vehicles are mandatory to prevent the heavy armor from sinking into the sand. Alternatively, wheeled armored platforms require less maintenance and offer far superior road mobility. This makes them the clear choice for rapid maneuvers across plains and potentially some mountainous sectors. Whether rolling on wheels or tracks, the proposed FICV platforms will share key specifications. They are expected to sit in the 20-ton weight class, utilize 600 horsepower engines, and feature hydrojets to propel themselves across water obstacles independently. Foreign designs are built for foreign environments. India's extreme geographic variations, from freezing mountains to scorching deserts, demand a highly tailored domestic mobility doctrine. This FICV cross-section highlights a crewless turret with a 30mm autocannon and missiles. Moving the crew to the chassis eliminates bulky mechanisms, freeing massive interior space. The 8 infantry troops inside can now carry and launch drones and loitering munitions directly into combat. However, all that offensive firepower is useless if the vehicle is destroyed by an enemy drone or a top-attack munition before it reaches the front line. Active protection systems intercept these threats, detecting and destroying incoming projectiles mid-air before they strike. If a blast occurs, STANAG Level 5 modular composite armor provides a rigorous secondary defense, absorbing artillery fragments and mine detonations. By combining automated mid-air defenses, heavy blast plating, and a troop compartment capable of deploying independent drone swarms, the FICV operates as a highly survivable, offensive hub for modern combat. The logistical scale of this transition is staggering. Current Army projections indicate a requirement exceeding 3,500 vehicles across all tracked and wheeled variants. This massive procurement is driving a highly competitive race between public sector defense firms and domestic private industry. It directly supports the government's push to eliminate reliance on imported military hardware by manufacturing the entire platform locally. Replacing the aging BMP fleet forces the mechanized infantry to abandon analog tactics. They will now operate in a fully digitized environment, relying on AI for target acquisition, advanced thermal imaging, and seamless network communication between squads. The success of this digitized force will be tested across some of the most unforgiving geography on Earth. This single ecosystem must secure the flat river basins of the plains and maintain operability in the thin, freezing air of the Himalayan borders. By custom building a platform that integrates drone warfare, advanced survivability, and extreme terrain mobility natively, India creates a sovereign shield capable of dictating its mechanized dominance for the 21st century.